Hello guys, so I purchased a new range bag. Not a range bag, I'm sorry, pistol bag for my pistol. Here are the tags and the brand. I think that's their logo, okay? It has laser cutted mollies in the front. You have a small zipper pocket. This material over here is pretty thick. I don't know what you would call this. I think it's not really canvas. It's nylon canvas, I guess that's what you would call it. But you have a small pocket here. You have a larger magazine pocket with spandex or elastic magazine holders. 5 of them you can put in there. Here is the main compartment. You have 2 pistol padded sections. The padding over here is pretty thick, and over here is as well. So you could put a 3rd pistol here. That's up to you, but it's, I believe on Amazon website it states that it's a 2 pistol case or bag, whatever. 2 pistol bag, I'm sorry. So both of these guns have been checked and they're empty. I have my M17 and my M18 in here, and when you see I put them in, there is plenty of space, so they definitely fit. Actually, here you go. I have an XCOM pack. So definitely you can fit 3 pistols in here, no problem. This color in the olive green or flat darker, for whatever, however you guys want to call it. It is $9.99 on Amazon, and I think it's an exceptional deal for 2 pistol bag. Alright, I purchased this with my own money, so I'm not sponsored or they gave me this for free. I purchased it because it was cheap and I wanted to give it a try. $9.99. I paid $25 for the other one, and I think this is an exceptional deal. Alright, thanks for looking. Bye.